Hello my beautiful YouTube family, here are some beautiful scarf styles for you. So in this one we are using a long scarf. Now wrap it along your waist and pass both of the sides through a ring. You can also use a rubber band or a short bangle. Set it and take the edges of both of the sides and tie them behind your neck. Now wear your scarf on your shoulders and your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. In the next one, again we are using a long scarf. Fold it and take its opposite edges and wear it and tie a double knot, taking both of its sides. Set it and your look is ready. You can also alternate the side. Bring back side to the front and set it, and your simple and decent scarf style is ready. In the next one, we are using a square scarf. Fold it and take its one edge and button it up with your shirt and tuck rest of the scarf in your trouser. Set it and your beautiful scarf style is ready. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. So next one is also with a square scarf. Fold it, wear it, and here are both of its edges. Now tie a half knot to make a loop of one side like this and pass both of the sides through the loop and set it. And it is done. In the next one, again we are using a square scarf. Fold it, wear it. Now tie a double knot and set both of its sides and tuck it in the neckline of your shirt. And beautiful look is ready. Again in the next one, tie a simple knot in the middle of scarf. Now wear it and tie both of its edges behind your neck, and your simply decent look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. In the next one, again wear your scarf. Bring both of the sides at the front and tie a knot, taking both of its edges. And here is your beautiful look. Here we are using a long thin scarf. Wrap it once along your neck. Now tie a double knot, taking the wrapped part between the knots. Now set it and your beautiful scarf style is ready. It is so easy. In the next one, again wrap it once along your neck and wrap both of its side till the ends with the wrapped part. Now repeat the same process with the other side. and set its edges. And your beautiful look is ready. In the next one, wear your scarf and tie a double knot in the middle and let both of the sides hanging down. And your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.